Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to display your phone screen on your laptop or PC. Okay, we are going to start. Click on your Windows icon below here. Click Start. Click on Setting. Okay, from Setting, click on System. On this corner where they say Find a setting, type Projection. You can see it here, Projection Setting. Okay, as you can see here, this is my PC. There's one feature that is missing, and we are going to install it. It's called wireless display. So we are going to click on optional features. Okay, from here you click on view features. Okay, find an available optimal feature. I'm gonna look for wireless display. When you type wire, you got it already here. You got it already here. You select it. Okay. You click next to install it. Click add. As you can see here, it's installing it. You're going to wait. Still installing. It might take time, some time. You know how to wait. As you can see here, they say it has been added. Okay. So we are going back. Projection. Projecting setting. As you can see, it's here. Okay, so where they say some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you allow it. So click here. They say off what is recommended. I'm gonna say available everywhere. Okay. Now you click here where they say launch a wireless display. Okay. Okay. From my phone, I'm gonna sweep it down like this. Sorry. Like this. Again, I'm gonna go on my right until you find smart view. You start it. Okay. From here, you click, you press next on your phone. Continue. It's going to find some devices. As you can see, it already find my PC. I'm gonna select it. And I'm gonna click start now. As you can see on my PC here, it says connecting. As you can see here, I got my phone. You can change the setting if you want to. This is my phone here. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.